Hi everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Etoro app on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open App Store or Google Play Store according to your device. Tap on the search bar and type in Etoro and hit search. Look for the app with the name Etoro, Trade and Invest. Verify the publisher, tap Install or Get. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once installed, tap Open to launch the eToro app. If you are new to eToro, tap Sign up and follow the registration steps. If you already have an account, tap Login and enter your credentials. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the eToro app on your mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.